Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sanjay Pagar, Associate Professor, Department of Geography. Dear student, I welcome all of you in this online lecture series on behalf of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajas, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College Nasik. Dear student, this is our SYBSC Geography class, Semester 4, and title of our subject is Environmental Geography Part 2. The paper code is GG 241. Dear student, today in this lecture we are going to discuss the topic number 4, that is environmental program and policy. And in this topic we have a subtopic, that is 33 crore tree plantation in Maharashtra. Dear student, in previous lecture we have discussed detailed information about the tiger conservation project in India, which was launched in 1973. And for today's lecture, we have a study objective to discuss detailed information about 33 crore tree plantation in Maharashtra. Dear student, you know that a forest is a large area dominated by the tree. And in other words, we can say a dense growth of tree and shrubs covering a large area is known as a forest. And forests are the natural resources of the country, which is very important for human being. And therefore, the forests play an important role in our human life, especially when we fulfill our various needs, such as the basic needs like food, shelter, and the cloth. And for that purpose, directly or indirectly, forests play to human being to fulfill their various needs. Forests also play a very vital role in environmental protection. Forest is important to us because it keep up the essential ecological balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Therefore, the forest conservation is very essential to maintain the quality and the balance of the environment. You know that if you want to maintain the quality and the balance of the environment, that time at any region, at least 33% area should be under forest. Then in that region, we can able to maintain the quality and the balance of the environment. But when we compare this extracted area with respect to the Maharashtra total geographical area, so it is really very less, because based on the interpretation of satellite data from the period October 2017 to January 2018, the forest cover in state, that is Maharashtra, was only 16.50% of the state's total geographical area, which was we expected at least there should be 33% area under forest. Then we can able to maintain the essential ecological balance in our state. But it's really very less than our expected area. Therefore, for increase the area under forest to fight climate change and the drought in Maharashtra, the Forest Department planned 33 crore tree plantation program in Maharashtra. And dear student, it was a 3-month long tree plantation program or drive across 36 districts of Maharashtra. And it was started from 1st July to 30th September 2019 in state of Maharashtra. Dear student, the 33 crore tree plantation was the first attempt in Maharashtra through the public and government participation. They combinedly or jointly do the effort to increase the area under forest through this program. All the 33 districts of the state participated and contributed in this drive or this program to make it success on a large scale. Therefore, this was a really very important feature about this program. The 33 crore trees were planted in the state in order to implement the concept of Green Maharashtra through the Forest Department and through the public participation. The state will achieve the target by planting more than 33 crore trees during this period. The total Maharashtra Forest Department planted 52 crore trees between 2017 and 2019, and the survival rate of this forest and this plantation trees was about 81%. That's really good achievement that we have get through this 33 crore tree plantation program in Maharashtra. Dear students, the main objective or the main aim of this program was to increase the forest cover up to 33% of the total geographical area of the Maharashtra. The first drive such drive for the plantation of the 2 crore trees was implemented on July 1st, 2016. And very important thing about this program, it received the massive public support. Behind with our support, the government fixed the target of the 50 crore tree plantation during the 2017 to 2019. Why it was decided? Because in the beginning of the early stage of this program, the government would get a good support and good success from this program. Therefore, the target was decided to plant at least 50 crore trees in our Maharashtra. Dear student, the government department and non-government organization were involved in this program of the tree plantation in Maharashtra. One important thing about this program, the various government department along with the students of school, colleges, university, NSS, NCC, CSR, NGO, railway, national highway, defense, NABARD, and other stakeholders of the society also participated in this program, and they actively participated. Therefore, this program was success on a large scale in its implementation time. Dear student, the government created a website, the platform, name it Green Army, which an aim to involve citizens and organizations in this plantation drive or program. And one important thing I would like to share with you that today 48.6 lakh people and 3022 organizations registered their name in Green Army in Maharashtra for support to this tree plantation program in Maharashtra. Therefore, this was a really very good achievement that we get through this announcement of the government, and people are really support this program to make it very success. The forest department has created another mobile application that is called My Plant, and it records the detail of plantation such as the numbers of trees, the species, the location into the computer system of the forest, and that record is still available. You can search any requirement anytime through this server of the government. That is very important thing about this program. Another important thing, the website gives a list of nursery from where the volunteer can get the free of charge tree for the plantation. Here these facilities available are each and every district of Maharashtra. Anyone, a student, the school, college or NGO, anyone can take the the tree for the plantation from the government, because the list of the nursery that is provided by the government of Maharashtra on its website. Therefore, this is really very important feature. Another important thing, it provides for a platform to share the idea, and the government has issued certificate, t-shirt and lot of things, as well as through it we motivate and encourage the volunteer, because when the such type of the both the government and the people, when they cooperate to each other, then definitely the result will be good. And when the government gives the certificate and teacher good response for the supporting people and volunteer, then definitely the inspiration and the motivation that give to the volunteer, and they participated in a large scale on the future also. Therefore, this was really very good activity that was carried out by the government of Maharashtra through this project or through this program. One important thing about this program that is very interesting, one can at the click of a button track forest tree cover, real time of plantation, the information along with the GPS coordinate, and the full information about the address, date, type of trees, and so many which we have planted during the past, that everything, the information about the plantation, the planted tree, we will get through the one click of the mouse from the website of the government of Maharashtra. That is also very good thing that was done by the government of Maharashtra. Dear student, this was about today's lecture. In this lecture, we discuss about the 33 crore tree plantation program of the Maharashtra. If you want to get more information about this topic, then you can use these references, these two textbooks, and also these are the website where you will get a lot of information about this 33 crore tree plantation program that was implemented by the government of Maharashtra and I'm sure that this website is also useful to update your notes and knowledge about this topic. Dear student, this was our today's lecture. This was our last lecture of this semester, and today we completed the syllabus which we have for our subject, that is the Geography Paper 1, SYBSc, Environmental Geography Part 2, Semester 4. We completed each and every topic which was included in our syllabus that was given by the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Dear student, if you have any query or this question regarding our topic or any previous topic, then you can mail me anytime. I will reply your mail as early as possible. I am sure that you enjoy the lecture all of our subject, and I'm sure that you will get the good score in your exam. So wish you all the best for your exam. Okay, thank you.